So I'm gonna do an unboxing here of an acupressure mat. It didn't actually come in a box, it came in a bag, but I think we still call it an unboxing. So I've heard about these acupressure mats over the years, and Tim Ferriss recently raved about them for back stuff, and they're also raved about for migraines, and I'm really missing my acupuncture sessions that community acupuncture at Toka, shout out. So I thought I'd give one of these a try. Tim Ferriss recommended a certain brand, but then also mentioned that there are so many of these now. I've seen the Spoonk ones at the store, and there's some premium ones certainly. I did not go that route. They're somewhat commoditized at this point, so I got one called Tom Shoe because of the value proposition. It was similarly priced to its competitors. The one I got actually had a $5 coupon because it's black and green. I think it'll look kind of cool. It's a neon green. And it also came with two little balls, sort of like the mini AccuBalls, which I totally love. So excited to open this up and give it a whir. People are saying with these that ideally you work your way up to doing them bare skinned. There's other videos on the net. I might make some later of various ways you can use these. But initially, as you get used to it, to go down gently and slowly. They're kind of like a bed of nails, and you want to be really even and probably wear a thin layer of clothing as you get used to it. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what's inside. So I'll be very careful here not to cut the product. Okay. So it comes with a bag, I believe. I hope so. And the travel bag. And then the mat. Yes, a travel bag, the mat, and a like a neck rest or a foot rest also with the acupressure spikes. There are some, I believe 6,000, 7,000 some odd spikes in here. There are also the spike balls. They're significantly bigger than the AccuBall Mini, but smaller than the Mega or the original size AccuBall. I absolutely love these sorts of products. Any kind of myofascial release type stuff. I am such a sucker for it. I've got like a lot of that's what's in here, and I've got to kind of stop, but I also I just love it. You know, the rad rollers, the Jill Miller tune-up balls, all that stuff. Sign me up. You know, can't get enough of it. Okay, so here we are. Let's see. Excited to check these out because it's been a stressful time, and probably for a lot of you. This I am hoping will provide some help. So this is the head and neck rest. It's quite a green color. And the cushion, Tom Shoe. Looks like this is something that I could open and to wash the cushion. I don't know how you would wash these products with the spikes. Sometimes I've heard these spikes described as sort of like on the underside of a golf shoe, like cleats or soccer shoes. So without further ado, let's give this a go. So you could use blanket if it were too much. You could also sit against this as you work your way into it. I'm just going to cover myself up with a blanket. I'm going to sit slowly down, gradually. onto this bed of nails, it actually feels, how do I describe that? Oh, kind of like a cat's tongue, maybe. Doesn't feel delicious, but it's gonna take some getting used to. So the reviews on Amazon for this and similar products are really quite rave. And I've seen many videos on YouTube of different ways that you can use these different restorative yoga postures and whatnot. Basically, if there's a general area of your body, you can treat that, and you can also use it as I'm using it now for more of a global effect. So I'm gonna end this review and give this some time here. Thank you.